80s luxury. 1989 Lincoln Town Car, four-door sedan. This particular car, crystal blue metallic in color, and I believe the interior blue would have been called cadet blue. Leather interior in it, of course. Should go ahead and take a look at the chrome grill. Shows very well, and it should. Just a tad over 71,000 miles on this car. No accidents indicated. Carfax is clean. Does not say it's been any sort of fender benders, anything like that. Paint on it shows well, especially for the age, and it appears to be original. I haven't really noticed any obvious spots where it had paint work done. There might be just a couple little nicks here and there, and I'll kind of show you where previous owner has touched those up. Underneath the hood, 5-liter electronic fuel injected V8. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, of course. All the equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech state the AC does blow cold. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay. Check out the underside, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Right here, you can see one little spot where a little touch-up was done. There's a couple over in the driver's front fender, but nothing very major at all. Take a look at the cloth top on this one. ASC installed power sunroof. Alright, one thing the text did mention, this door will not open from the exterior, FYI. Previous owner has chose to represent it that way and sell it. The other thing is there is a center cap, little tab was broke on it, so I've put that in the trunk, and there is also the locking lug socket that will be in the trunk also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the hidden keyhole for the trunk, everything working properly there. Does have the auto closure on the trunk, and that also works properly. Power antenna back here, you can see, is down. Power antenna also works as far as going up and down with the switch on the dash. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. This is a 2-owner car, according to the consignor that brought it to us. He is the second owner, and he has had it for the last 12 years. Enjoyed driving in the summers when he was here. And take a close look at the still pictures around the wheel wells. Take a look at the underside. It does appear to be a very clean car. Alright, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Take a look at that. Of course, the touchpad for unlocking, locking the door. Power windows, power locks, power seat to both sides. Leather split bench. And you can see the leather also in nice shape, just wearing naturally. Natural leather hide's going to wear. Not ripped, torn, holes, anything like that. Take a look at the top of the dash, not cracked, sun-baked, discolored. Looking good there. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Let's hear it run. Turn that fan down for the second two here. There we go. All right, odometer reading 71,195. Fuel gauge obviously working over here. I'm gonna run that antenna up while we're sitting in here also. I had the stereo power up. I did not get very good reception. It was like the stereo was trying to get the stereo feature as far as quality of sound and everything. That could be because we're indoors. Nice looking dash. wipers do work. Take a look at the headliner. Of course, the power sunroof shade is closed. I wanted to see that slide and be open. That's just a manual slide. And again, an ASC installed, so quality work. There's a power antenna. I could raise it up so you'd see that's in working order. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood open, check out that 5-liter.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And nice, clean, tidy engine bay. What you'd expect, looking very stock. Really looked like there's a lot of aftermarket going on underneath there, pretty much the way it came from Lincoln back in 1989. And again, 5-liter, or technically a 4.9, couldn't tell anybody. Advertised as a 5-liter, which you're going to see right on the intake. 5-liter electronic fuel injected. Power steering, power brakes, AC. How you would expect a Lincoln to be equipped. So you're looking for a little 80s luxury, classic, fun cruiser. Don't make them like this, rear-wheel drive. Just not around like this anymore. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call or email.